Waqeefana. What is the Oromo religion Waqeefana? Written by Sena Binagde, USA. The Oromo are Ethiopia's most enormous, ancient, indigenous stock, speaking Cushitic language family. The Oromo stories demonstrate that the Oromo religion was an indigenous religion known as Waqeefana, believes in monotheistic God, the creator of universe, and omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent called Waqa. Waqa follower does not require a prophet, saints, clergy, priests, or bishops, but instead relies on intermediate spirit known as Ayana to do so. The identity and the Oromo worldview consists of three intermediate concepts. 1. Ayana. 2. Uma, which means Waqa's creation, and 3. Safu, which means an ethical and moral value that serves as a foundation of human conduct. Waqeefana is associated with Kallu institution, Kallu, which means men, and Kaliti, which means woman, are earthly protectors of Waqa laws. Galma is the traditional Oromo ritual hall of Kallu or Kaliti, while Dalaga is the ritual activities of Kallu or Kaliti. The Muda ceremony is the name of ritual held once every 8 years in honor of the Kallu. The Kallu is also known as the Abba Muda, the spiritual father of the traditional Oromo faith. Those who visited the Abba Muda and got his blessings and anointment are Jila. The Jila served as a conduit between the spiritual father and the political system of the Oromo people, Gada. During rituals, Oromo males wear kalacha and holy religion emblem, while women wear chachu or challe, which means beads. Ekera. Ekera is a belief in life after death in which departed ancestors live as spirits. Atete. Atete is a woman's Thanksgiving ceremony. Are Kallu and Kalicha similar? Lagasa 1973 and Knudsen 1967 clearly explained by Ta'a 2013 about the difference between Oromo's religion and the political institutions and between the Oromo Kallu and the Amharic Kalicha. The Muda pilgrimage is the only meeting site of the Kallu and the Gada system. So, the Gada system was the secular political system. In contrast to the term Kallu, Kalicha is prevalent across Ethiopia. The term Kallu is associated with a property. In Borana Oromo, Kallu refers to the few traditional high priests, but Kalicha indicates a primarily antisocial or at least anti-traditional ceremonial function. Kalicha has a significantly distinct and far lower social rank in Oromo than a Kallu. Culturally, Kalicha is regarded as alien or somewhat foreign to Oromos, which means matcha. However, some writers deliberately distorted this fact and associated Kallu and Kalicha. Generally, Waqeefana reflects a feeling of human dignity, equality, and respect. It also encompasses all that is necessary for social interaction and integration. The strong belief in one supernatural force produced a favorite climate for coexistence. Oromo nationalism should be based on secularism, and equality to the religious diversity of contemporary Oromo people. The religion of Oromo people, Waqeefana, Christianity, and Islam. Although there could not be the answer to why religion is an essential topic for Oromos, a political elite attempts to politicize the religious diversity within the Oromo people when they failed to mobilize their people as usual. Sena Binagde, USA. As Agada view, we would like to call for Oromo nationalism and struggles to be secular and neutral of any religion too. Dear Sena Binagde, thank you very much indeed for your dedicated paper to our program. Please keep in touch. Sena mentioned Bulcha 1995, Sina et al. 2011, Albesa 2013, Ta'a 2013, Aga 2016, Dube 2021, and Jalata 2010 as his source of reference. We thank us all. Don't forget subscribing our channel to get our next programs. Like and comment too. Bye for now.
Isa hunda danda'u.